Hello, my name is Mark. I'm from Online Design Studios, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo on our Design Studio product. What it is a design studio for your website. It's a tool for your customers, so when they come to your website, now you'll have a design studio for them to design their products that they want you to create. It's a very simple to use tool, and here we are at our website. And if at any time you want to check out the demo, you can go to our website at onlinedesignstudios.com and click on the demo button like I'm going to do here. First thing you'll notice is it's a very clean product, very simple to use, and that's the main goal. We don't talk about things like DPI, we don't talk about vector, we don't talk about terms that your customer doesn't even understand as far as these little acronyms and names of things. So there's basically 4 buttons here, and these are the 4 steps your customers will use to create their product. Right here we have select another product. Our design studio is full of generic items, and that's by design because this isn't a catalog. And when customers go in to design something, they don't want to be trying to figure out what product they want. So when they click on a t-shirt, they've got 15 different manufacturers and weights of shirts. This is for them to design something, not decide the type of shirt to pick out. And that's something that you'll do once you receive the quote request, that you can go over the different garments and options for them and steer them to the right product. So we have all generic items here. This is the t-shirt section. That'll have the t-shirts, the women's v-necks, tank top, long sleeve. We have other sections, fleece, we have our crew neck, our hoodie, our quarter zips, and it's full of all the different products, including we have custom products that we can offer. If you do different things like yard signs, there's gaiters, bandanas, business cards, and masks. Your customer will pick an item, so we'll pick the women's v-neck. Here's where you'll select the color, and we'll go down to select this product. And there's a zoom in and zoom out option here, so once they design their item, they can zoom out to see how it's going to look. The next option is to add an image. We've got custom templates. These are already preloaded in our system. Lots of different options and categories for those. And then we have our clip art section. Any of our artwork is vector, so if you're doing screen printing, it's pretty much ready for film and ready to go. So when they click on the item, it's a very fast software. They can add the graphic, they can control the size and also the placement of it. Within this square, these colors here are what control the item. So if we wanted to change the red, we'd click on the red and change that to yellow. So they could select this and change this to be a one color product. In the bottom here, we have all of the controls for the image to rotate, flip, and center horizontally and vertically, and we have these controls also in the corners. The next option is to add text. Here we can add some text and add the text. We have 222 fonts to choose from for your customers to use. Once you add the text and it's selected, this control area will be visible, where you can add a curve to the text, you can add an outline, you can center it, make it bold, italic, you can change the color of the font, and you can change the size of the font. The next option is to save it to a quote. They click on that, they go in, they'll change their quantities and sizes. Once they're satisfied with that, they add that to the quote. This is a summary. It'll show them the different orientations with the thumbnails of the graphics. Over here they'll have their quantities and sizes. They'll click continue. At this page they'll fill out their contact information. Then over here there's a note section if they have any specific notes that they want to send to you. And then they'll click request quote. So at that point, all of this information gets emailed to you to a specific email that you choose. You'll receive the mock-ups of all of the different sides that they've designed, and those will be in separate attachments. And then you're going to receive any of the graphics will also be in a separate attachment. And again, they're all vector if they come from our design studio, so they'll be ready for film. If the customer wants to upload an item, there's an upload image option here. We offer 8 different file formats for uploading, including Illustrator, Photoshop, SVG, different file types. So they'll click here to upload their image. Once that comes up, they can choose their file, and then they click open. So we have three options once the file is uploaded. You can use the original file. We can remove the white background, and we also can remove all of the white within the graphic. This section down here is a disclaimer. What this does is it takes any liability of any images that your customer might upload that might be copyrighted, and by them checking this off, they agree that they have full access and full licensing to upload any images. So they would click on Start Upload. That'll upload the image. This time I did it without the white taken out. We can go back, upload the image, and then this time what we'll do is we will remove all the white. Check that off. And now all the white's gone. And what that'll allow is when your customers upload their logo, they won't see the white background, which they might have it on a JPEG or something like that. So this Design Studio can be used unlimitedly. So it can be used in anywhere you do business. Of course, you're going to have it on your website, maybe as a clickable image. You can also have as a menu item on the top, but you can use it in other places for your business. You can use it on Facebook. You can use it on Twitter. Some people use the Design Studio in their showroom. So when customers come in with your foot traffic, they walk up and there's a computer there for them to design their products. So as you saw, it's a very simple product, very easy to use for your customers. Again, very clean as far as the usability of it. And the other important part is the price. Design Studio for the yearly plan is $29 a month. What that comes out to be if you screen print is, say if you had a 50-piece t-shirt job with a one color front and back, you just paid for the whole year and the rest is all your profit. We also offer a 1 month free because we want you to try the full product and see if it's going to work for your company. If it does, great. You can switch your plan from the monthly to the yearly if you like to receive that savings, or you can cancel. And that's the way our product always is, that you could always either call us or email us to cancel, and you're not locked into any type of a contract of any type. So if you decided to do the yearly plan, which you prepay $348 for the year, and that equates to be the $29 a month, and say 6 months in you just realize that it's not working out for your company, you just have to contact us. You can send us an email or give us a call and let us know you want to cancel, and we're going to refund any unused time back to you that you didn't use for the Design Studio. Again, my name is Mark. Our number here is 800-970-1774. I'm at extension 112. If you have any questions, you can feel free to give me a call, or anybody here at our staff can help you out. Have a good afternoon.